156 student, only 120 students. Okay.
Sir,
Yes.
sir, can you please start from the last slide of the last class? I couldn't understand that a bit.
So you point out this which thing?
So that a CLK something, that one I didn't
The
understand.
clock. If we
Yes, sir.
if the clock is not present, then the circuit will not work, na? Because the initial gate which is coming from the S1, S and R, okay, so that will not work, na? So one input is inhibited, so not giving. So in that case, the circuit, that means both S prime and R prime will be 1. Okay, so you then compute the whole circuit. The circuit will not work as per our nomenclature. So that's why we will not get proper output. So, but when the clock is 1, the circuit will operate as per our nomenclature. Okay.
Yes, sir, got it.
So that is the main difference. Okay, so let's start this.
Sir, I have a
Yes.
doubt.
Follow.
Sir, if we give a clock signal to a latch, then it will work as a flip flop.
Yes.
Oh, thank you, sir.
Without clock, we do not call it is a flip flop. Okay, some books they are also saying that the latch and flip flop both are same. Both are more or less same. The thing is that if whatever the circuit, basic circuit we have drawn using the simple two NAND gate with a feedback circuit, that is a latch. So when the output is locked, that means and the circuit doesn't have any clock, then it is a latch. But when this circuit contain another clock pulse and the circuit is synchronous with the clock pulse such that when the clock pulse is 1, so then the circuit will operate properly. Okay, so in that case, this latch with the that means associated with the clock is called as a flip flop. Okay, that is the little very small difference. Okay, so let's start this class. Today is, so कल के लिए काइट रेडी है ना, पतंग?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so
Yes, sir.
some I voice some girl student. कोई गर्ल स्टूडेंट भी पतंग उड़ाता है क्या यहाँ पे?
Yes, sir.
ओह गुड. सो हम लोग वो क्या बोलते हैं, वो जो धागा, मतलब वो धागा तैयार है क्या? क्या सूता ना धागा?
Manja.
Manja, sir.
मंजा. Yes. Have you given the manja or you have purchased those manja? दुकान से खरीद लिया या खुद से दिए हो?
सर हमें पत्ते बनाना नहीं आता, आप सिखा लोगे?
हाँ, मंजा तो मैं बहुत छोटे से दे रहा था, मतलब क्लास 1 और 2 से मैं बहुत पतंग उड़ाता था. हाँ, अभी भी मुझे मतलब अभी नहीं उड़ाता हूँ 2009 के बाद. हाँ, क्योंकि वो पढ़ाई का टेंशन आ गया इसलिए. हाँ, सो नहीं तो बहुत गुड्डी उड़ाता मैं भी. चलो let's start this class. In the last class, just wait. In the last class, we have tried to learn SR flip-flop, set reset flip-flop, and based on the input, that means S and R, we were tried to find the output, and the output is denoted by Qn plus 1, because whenever I am giving the signal, the circuit will operate depending on previous output. Okay, so if I am giving the signal at t equal to Tn, so I am giving S and R, then the output Qt will be as a function of Q of n, because at the same instant whatever the output we had in that circuit, the circuit will operate based on the previous output. So that's why this Qt is normally denoted as Qn plus 1. That's why I have written here Qn plus 1. Then we have also found when the input is 0 and 0, we got the output should be Qn. When the input was 0 and 1, output should be 0. When the input should, that means if we give the input 1 and 0, output should be 1. And when you give both the input 1, 1, then there will be some, that means undefined. That means we cannot get the proper output. Q and Q prime both takes the same value, which is not possible. So that's why at the state of 1, 1, that means we should not get any proper output. So that's why one question mark. So we learn this thing. Okay. So now today we will start JK flip flop.
Sir,
Okay,
last
JK flip-flop.
doubt, sir.
Bolo.
Clear and preset, you draw in one table using clear and preset.
The thing is that you yes, when the clock is one, yes, when the clock is one, okay. So then what will happen? The circuit will work as per our normal nomenclature, but at the same time, clear and preset button should be one. Okay, so then the circuit will work as per as normal operation. Suppose when the clock is 0, then the circuit should not work because S prime and R prime both will be 1. Okay, so then you perform the whole operation, you will get it is not working as per our normal circuit. But at the same time, you can reset the output. That means you can clear the output or preset the output. So in this case, when clock pulse is 0, you open this chart and check when clock pulse is 0 and when the clear button is 0 but the preset button is 1, output is 0. Okay, then this operation is called you are clearing the output. That means it is a clear operation. When the clock pulse is 0, clear button is 1 and preset button is 0. So clear button is 1, okay, and preset button is 0. So preset button is 0 means you are presetting the output. Presetting means initially we are giving qn should be 1, so output is setting to 1. So that's why this operation is called as a preset operation. Okay, it is a basic nomenclature. You can define the whole this circuit, that means as per whatever, that means whatever we have followed the procedure. Otherwise you can simple, when the preset is 1, that means sorry, preset is 0, then output will be 1. When the clear is 0, then the output will be clear, okay, or 0. So in this way you can remember that thing. Okay, so let's start this JK flip flop. Okay, the thing is that we have Jordan and Kelly, okay, and they have almost investigated the JK flip flop or invented the JK flip flop approximately 1918. Or we have Jack Kilby, and they have worked on 1958. Okay, and based on that, that means you observe the basic working principle that means might have been invented by Jordan and Kelly in 1918, but Jack Kilby has modified or totally given a new proper circuit. So based on that, J and K, the nomenclature may come. Okay, that is, there is a ambiguity who has invented the JK flip flop properly. Okay, so that's why, but nobody will ask you. So it is a simple J and K flip flop. So how the J and K has come? So there is a two nomenclature, whether they have been invented in 1918 or they have been totally new versions of JK flip flop has been invented by Jack Kilby in 1958. So there is a little bit confusion. Okay, because at that time there was no internet. So documentations of all those circuit or research work or preserving those research work in a hard copy, there was a little bit issue. Okay, so forget about the nomenclature and now let's start. Suppose I have, okay, I need little bit bigger table. Okay, let's draw it over here. Okay, so here S and R, here Qn plus 1, 0 0 Qn, 0 1 0 1 0 1 and 1 1 toggling. So here I am drawing this circuit because we need little bit bigger pace. Okay, so this is a SR flip flop, and so this input is nothing but S, this input is nothing but R, this output is nothing but Q, and this output is nothing but Q prime. Is there any doubt? Is there any doubt? Any doubt? Hello, my voice is audible?
Yes, sir.
Audible,
So
audible, sir.
we are also showing the preset button. We are also showing the preset button with a active low. So it is a preset and it is a clear, active low clear. Okay. Up to this, is there any doubt? Okay. So let's start. Suppose I am using here one AND gate. The output is connected over here. Okay, so this J and this output, this input is K. Okay, so let's write it over here, J. So somebody will understand this. There is a bar. This J and K. Now the thing is that we have Q prime. So let's take this Q prime. Okay, so S is nothing but J Q prime equal to S. Agree? J into Q prime equal to nothing but
Yes.
S. Agree? As
Yes,
per
sir.
our
Yes, sir.
as per our circuit. Then I am taking the Q and I am placing it over here. As I need little bit bigger circuit, that's why I am drawing in smaller circuit. Okay, we have to draw one bigger table. So here K and Q, sorry. Here K and Q is nothing but R as per our nomenclature. Okay, so the thing is that here we can give the clock pulse also, CLK. Okay, so CLK. So using the standard nomenclature, we are drawing the whole circuit with the help of clock pulse, preset button and clear button using the SR flip-flop. Now when the SR flip-flop is shown, then two AND gate is taken and in the one AND gate, suppose it is gate 1, here two inputs. We have given the input J and Q prime, and the gate 2 we have given the two input here K and this input is Q. Okay, so let's try to draw one bigger table where I am giving J and K. So this is the table. Okay, J and K. Try to understand, huh? If you miss one step, there may be a little bit difficult. So in the output at nth stage, so this is the output, that means Qn. Okay, then we are computing S, where S is nothing but J and Q prime. Then we are computing R is nothing but KQ. And then we are computing the output, that means Qn plus 1. Is there any doubt?
No, sir.
Okay, very good. Suppose now in the
Sir.
Qn stage, yes.
Sir,
Bolo.
the output at nth,
Where nth?
output at nth.
I just told na. The whenever I'm in the circuit, I just told at the t equal to Tn. Okay, at the same time, whenever I'm giving the input t equal to Tn, we are giving the input S and R. Okay, at the same time, there should be some output. So this output is Qn. Then based on S, R and Qn, we are getting the output. That's why the output Qt is a function of Q of n. So because of that, this output is denoted as Qn plus 1. So that's why you have written Qn plus 1. Is it clear right now?
Okay, sir. Sir, I was in 30 written in third.
What?
जो 30 written output at nth, उसके बाद क्या है?
उसके बाद S equal to J into Q
नहीं,
prime.
अच्छा, जो क्यू
QN,
QN
QN, QN, QN. This is QN.
उससे पहले जो
Nth
आउट
stage, Nth stage.
आउटपुट
Output at nth stage. Output at nth stage.
थैंक यू सर
Output at nth stage. Okay, it's okay. Okay, so STAGE. So my handwriting is not so good, so please adjust. Okay. Now just tell me, whenever I am giving input J and K, what the value Qn can be either 0 or 1. Agree? Agree?
Yes, sir.
So here, suppose here I am writing, here I am, thoda ruko. Here I am writing, let's write it over here Qn, and here Qn prime, and we are giving here another column. So suppose Q can take either 0 or 1. Agree? Agree?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
So now suppose the input you are giving 0 and 0, J and 0, K and K equal to 0. Now previous output, that means at the nth stage output Qn, that can be either 0 or 1. Okay, let's try to solve the whole problem by assuming those two definition. Okay, if it is 0, then what will be the value of Qn?
0, sir.
Why 0? How can you say
No,
0?
1, sir. 1, 1.
Yes,
Sir, 1. Prime.
if it is 1. So now I know Qn and Qn prime. Okay, then what will be the value
equal to
of
0.
S equal to J into Qn prime? J 0, so S equal to 0.
0.
Okay? Then what is the value of R? R equal to K into Q. K into Q means here, let's write here N. So then it will be easy. K equal to R equal to K Qn. So both are 0. So here it will be 0. Okay?
0.
Agree? Now when both input, observe the table over here, when both input are 0, output Qn plus 1 is Qn. And what is the Qn over here?
0.
0.
Zero.
0.
Please mute someone, in someone's side there is some noise. Okay, so there will be 0. Is there any doubt? Is there any doubt? Is there any doubt? As
No.
Qn equal to 0, we have assumed. Okay, any student is facing any difficulty because we have to solve lots of steps, then if I solve 4-5 row, then again the another student will say, sir, what is happening? Is there any student who is facing issue? Any
Sir,
student?
Q1 plus 1. Sir, Q1 plus 1 equals 0. How can you write it?
Okay, you observe it over here. What is the input here? S and R. What is the input? It is S, na? Simple S. It is R. What is, if it is both are 0, then observe the table. We have given the table over here. If both
Okay.
are 0, Qn plus 1 will be Qn. Now
Yes,
we
sir.
have started our assumption by assuming Qn equal to 0. That's why 0. Even that's why I have written the same reason. Qn equal to 0. We have assumed this one, na? That's why.
Okay, sir.
Okay, now is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Serial number 15, BT943, Shubham Abhishek Tripathi. Are you there? Shubham
Yes, sir.
Abhishek Tripathi. Yes. Is it clear at your end? Is it clear at
Yes,
your
sir.
end? Okay, very good.
Yes, sir.
Now, Shubham, you
Yes,
tell. Shubham, you tell when J and K both are 0. रुको जरा.
Yes.
When J, it is only for Shubham. Rest observe. Okay, don't give answer. Only for Shubham. Okay, so J and K 0, and we have starting our solution by assuming Qn equal to 1. So this row. Okay, second row. So it is first row. It is second row. So then, what is the value of Qn in Qn bar? 0. Very good. Then what is the value of S? S equal to JQn bar.
Qn bar says 0.
0. Very good. What is the value of Q? Sorry,
So
what
what-
is the value of R? What is the value of R? R equal to K
It's
into
also
Qn.
0.
It also 0. So when both are 0, I have to observe this table. Then it is Qn. Okay, Qn plus 1 is Qn. So what will be my output?
So 1.
1. Very good.
1, sir.
As Qn equal to 1. So from this From this, can we write Qn plus 1 is nothing but Qn? Because you observe when Qn equal to
Yes,
0,
sir.
I am getting 0 output. When Qn equal to 1, I am getting 1 output. So from this, I can write Qn plus 1 equal to Qn. Okay, is it clear? Okay, Shubham, you got 1 marks in the class performance today.
Thank you, sir.
This is your first marks.
Thank you,
Is
sir.
there any doubt for any student? Is there any doubt for any student?
No, sir.
Okay, very good. Now let's try to solve row number 3 and 4. Those who are understanding, they solve it and verify the result. Okay, so those who are weak student, they should come forward. So next input is 0 and 1. Okay, now again we are assuming, let's use different color, so then it will be easy. So weak students should come forward if they are facing any issue. Okay, it doesn't matter. Okay, so 0 and 1. So here it is, it can take either 0 or 1. It is row number. It is, we are writing here row number. Okay. Now let's start with CH631. Vedant Vijay, are you there?
Yes, sir.
Yes, very good. Now you try your turn. J0K1. Output we are assuming Qn equal to 0. Then what is the value
Yes.
of Qn prime?
So 1.
Qn prime
1,
1.
sir.
Very good. Then what is the value of S?
0, sir.
0. What is the value of R?
0, sir.
Okay, let me check. Okay, 0. Yes, 0. Then what is the value? You follow this table. S0 R0 S0
Zero,
R0. So output will be क्या होगा यहाँ पे?
0.
0. Very good. As Qn equal to 0. Very good. Okay, so you got 1 marks today. Okay, class
Yes, sir.
performance. Okay, this is your first marks. Now let's talk about CS 167. Sushil Kumar. Sushil Kumar. CS
Yes, sir.
167. Yes, very good. Now it is
Yes,
your
sir.
turn. Okay, J equal
Yes,
to
sir.
0, K equal to 1, and we are assuming Qn equal to 1. Now tell Qn plus Qn bar क्या होगा result
Sir,
यहाँ पे?
Qn bar equal 0.
Very good. Then say J
Sir,
S क्या value क्या होगा? S value 0. Then
Sir,
R का value क्या होगा?
0.
R
Sir,
sorry, R का value क्या होगा? R equal to K Qn. K
Sir, 1.
1. Very good. So now my input is 0 and 1. So 0 and
Yes,
1.
sir.
So this row. Now if this
Yes,
is, what will be my output?
Sir, 0.
0. Very good. Now you observe in both outputs are 0. Doesn't matter what is the input over
Yes,
here.
sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
So from this, can I write Qn plus 1 equal to 0?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Very good. Very good. So you got
Thank
the
you,
1
sir.
mark. This is your first mark. Okay.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, very good. Is there any student? Who is facing issue? Is there any student who is facing issue? Okay, so rest students
sir.
can.
Screen is not which. Sir,
हाँ बोलो.
sir, my screen is bit hazy, so I cannot see. Network connection is weak.
So how can I help over here? So we are recording.
Sir,
You can
you
consult.
continue your sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, so you can let's download and then you can consult it. Okay.
Yes.
So now CS हो गया. CS को और नहीं पूछेंगे. Let's take EC. It is my department. EC 1071. EC 1071. Are you there? EC 1071. So he is absent. So उसके बाद नहीं ये करूंगा. Consider करूंगा. Absent. Okay. Forget. My department is absent. So okay. So EE 495. EE 495. EE 495.
Yes, sir.
Yes, very good. Now it is your turn. Okay. Now it is, suppose input is 1 and 0, and Qn can take either 0 or 1. Okay. So
Yes, sir.
your turn is, when Qn equal to 0, just tell me Qn prime का value क्या होगा?
So 1.
1. Very good. Then tell the value of S. S equal to J Qn prime.
Sir, 1.
Let me check. J Qn prime. So 1. Very good. Then R का value क्या होगा?
Sir, 0.
Let me check. R equal to K Qn. K Qn. Very good. 0. Now the input is 1 0 in the SR flip flop. So 1 0. What will be my output?
Sir, 1.
1. Very good. Very good. Okay. Very good. So you got, this is your first class performance. Okay. Good. Good. Now let's
Thank you.
turn इसको, हाँ ठीक है. EI 895. EI 895. Ashok Kumar Saini.
Yes, sir. Yes,
Ah.
sir. Yes, sir.
Now it is your turn. Now input is J equal to 1, K equal to 0, Qn equal to 1. Then what will be my value of Qn prime?
0, sir.
Very good. Then what will be my value of S? S equal to J Qn prime. J
0.
Qn prime 0. Very good. J Qn prime. Okay. Then what will be my value of R? R equal to K Qn. K
0, sir.
K Qn 0. So both inputs are 0. Then what will be my both inputs are 0. So over here. So what will be my output? What
1,
will be
sir.
my output? How did you get 1? Because Qn equal to 1.
1.
Okay, as Qn equal to 1. So you observe the input, the previous stage, Qn is taking 0 and 1, but output is always 1. So from this, can I write Qn plus 1 equal to 1? Can I write?
Okay, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, very good, very good, very good. So this is also, you got 1 marks. This is your first mark.
Sir.
Okay.
Sir.
Thank you, sir.
Sir, last how did we get 1?
Okay, now here the input S and R both are 0. Okay, if both are 0, here output should be, output of the SR flip-flop should be Qn. Okay, and here we have to write Qn, but here the Qn is, we have solved the problem by assuming Qn equal to 1. That's why it is 1, na?
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Okay.
Hello, sir.
Yes.
Hello, sir. 1 means set and 0 means reset.
When the thing is that when S is set and R equal to reset, okay, there S is that means S and R, that is the nomenclature. Okay, now when S is 0, then output is 0, so that's why this stage is called set. When S is 1, output is 1. Sorry, it is reset. It is reset.
Yes, sir.
And when S is 1, output is 0, then it is called set. Okay, so in this way, this nomenclature is coming set, reset, nomenclature. Okay. Okay, now let's start. Let's try to solve the last 2 rows. So now the input should be take both and both are 1. Now Qn can take either 0 or 1. Okay. I have given him marks. So okay, let's start. किसको marks नहीं मिला है? ME1023. ME1023. Karthik, are you there? 1023, Karthik.
Yes, sir.
Very good. Now it is your turn. Now J equal to 1, K equal to 1, Qn equal to 0. Now tell me, if Qn 0, then what is the value of Qn prime?
1.
Very good. Then tell me what is the value of S?
1.
Very good. Then tell me what is the value of R?
0.
Let me check. K and Qn. Yes, 0. Then tell me what is the value of my output?
1.
Let me check. It is 1 0 1 0. So 1. Very good. Very good. Excellent. You got marks. Okay. Very good. Now let's start. और एक को वो बुला लेता हूँ जिसको PH physics PH 5031.
Yes, sir.
Aditya. Yes. Now it is your turn. Okay. Now try to answer. When J equal to 1, K equal to 1, and we are assuming Qn equal to 1, then tell me what is the value of Qn prime?
0.
रुको 1 मिनट, अभी कितना बजा है भाई? ओ
So
मेरा घड़ी बंद हो
9:43.
गया 9:43 नहीं मेरा घड़ी बंद हो गया अभी 12:05 हो गया डिपार्टमेंट का इसलिए मैं सोचा भाई इतना टाइम चला गया ठीक है कहाँ पे आदित्य को बुलाया था ना आदित्य
Yes, sir.
तुम्हें बुलाया था ना 5031 नाउ जस्ट टेल मी व्हाट इज द वैल्यू ऑफ QN प्राइम
0.
now what is the value of S
0.
equal to K QN prime okay then it is 0 now what is the value of R equal to K QN
1.
K QN very good now the input is 0 and 1 0 and 1 means this row so what will be my output
0.
0 now you observe नहीं तुम छोड़ो तुम ऑब्जर्व मत कर दूसरे को बुलाता हूँ ओके नाउ यू गॉट मार्क्स टुडे ठीक है
Thank you.
ओके और किसको बुलाया यहाँ पे वाइट गैप है यहाँ पे नहीं यहाँ पे नहीं इसको यहाँ से बुलाते हैं फर्स्ट हाँ BM 383 BM are you there okay BM 383 are you there 383
Yes, sir.
okay
Yes,
now
sir.
it is your turn
Yes, sir.
now you say when the input is QN okay that means 0
Yes.
what is the output
Yes, sir.
output is 1
QN bar.
no, what is the output is 1
1. Yes, sir.
so when the input is 1 output is
0.
sorry it was my mistake I'm taking wrong language so when the previous output 0 then now present output is 1
1.
when the previous output is 1 then the present output kitna hai
0.
0 so what can I write here from QN plus 1 what can I write bolo
QN prime.
So QN prime.
Yes.
नहीं इसे ये तो
QN prime.
विकास को बोलना है ये तो विकास को बोलना है why you are answering
Oh, sorry, sir.
हाँ विकास बोलो
सर
हाँ,
बोल
विकास
दिया था
बोलो।
पहले ही। सर
विकास
बोल दिया
ओ विकास तुमने बोला था
सर
आंसर
बोल दिया सर ने नहीं दूसरे ने बोल दिया
नहीं
QN
दूसरे ने
bar.
बोल दिया विकास यू ट्राई ओके
एक
when
QN bar.
QN equal to 0 then QN plus 1 equal to 1 when QN equal to 1 then output that means QN plus 1 is 0 so from this what can we write you observe and
QN
write
QN bar. QN plus 1 bar.
QN plus 1 then bar you are telling this thing
Yes, sir.
no it is again wrong the answer should be QN bar because it is QN plus 1 na you observe here we are trying to write the output as a function of QN or 0 1 okay so you follothe class
Okay, sir.
अगर अच्छा मार्क्स नहीं मिलेगा तो इशू हो जाएगा try to follow my lecture we upload the recorded lectures also huh but
Yes,
still I have given you marks don't worry I have given you marks rest at your hand if you give good performance in the exam copy then I can give you marks otherwise not okay
Okay, sir.
okay now yeah ये मार्कर कहाँ पे चला जाता है हाँ
Sir, which flip flop can be used as a latch?
गूगल सर्च करके देखो because whenever we are taking it is a flip flop then it is a combination of latch plus clock okay so that's why so because of that the latch comes under when we considering the flip flop okay but flip flop will that means will never come whenever you are talking about only latch are you getting my point so in this circuit latch plus clock equal to flip flop okay so for all the flip flop latch is coming okay, so some in specific book or something some another information may be there okay but don't bother so this is the correct okay so now you focus J0 K0 what is the input J0 K0 what is the input sorry what is the output what will be my output QN when J0 K1 what is my output 0 then when J1 K0 what is my output 1 when both are 1 what is my output
QN bar.
output? हाँ,
QN
QN bar. So this is my table. This is my table. Now you observe. This table is more or less similar except this row. In the SR flip-flop, we have toggling. We cannot define the output properly. Okay, but the same thing can easily be obtained if we use the JK flip-flop. Yes, okay? Sir. So all the 4 states can be defined. That's why we prefer to use JK flip-flop instead SR flip-flop. Okay, or in other sense, as all the 4 input state can define the output properly without any error. That's why JK flip-flop are widely used. Okay, that is the reason. Is it clear? Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, very good. Let's proceed to next slide.
Sir?
Let's proceed. Yes, bolo.
Sir, which type of problem will get in this concept?
Huh? Bolo, I didn't get your question.
Sir, which type of problem will get in exam in this problem?
How
in
would
this
I know?
Concept, sir.
How would I know? The thing is that we are here learning purpose. Let's complete the whole syllabus. Then from the conceptual question will come. If I say this kind of question will come, so you may not follow this whole lecture. Okay, so if you follow the whole lecture, then your concept will be built. Then you can easily that means you will be able to give the answer. Okay, don't focus on question based answer solution. Okay, don't focus. At least I don't follow.
Please, sir, please repeat, sir, why this is more useful than normal.
Okay. The thing is that you observe the SR flip-flop. All the input data stage are available. That means output data stage are defined properly in the SR flip-flop. In the SR flip-flop, all the data stage output are defined properly. You check.
No,
yes, sir, and tell me why you are telling no, Bolo. The 4th stage is undefined. Agree? The 4th stage is undefined. Agree?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Now you observe the same thing. Now you focus in JK flip-flop and find the output where all the output at 4 stages are defined properly. Yes or no? Dekho, properly defined hex. So all the 4 stages are defined. So that's why JK flip-flop are preferred over SR flip-flop. Okay, but we have another 2 flip-flop we will learn. So then we will see most of the time in almost all the circuit we will use JK flip-flop widely. First the four output stage are properly defined. Second, the input, that means the function output is a function of Qn prime 0 and 1 all combination, which is not available here in SR flip-flop. That's why JK flip-flop is widely used. Okay, now let's proceed to next slide.
So why you use flip-flop?
Why we use flip-flop?
Yes, sir.
For storing the data. We told in the first class. Okay, for storing the data. Whenever I am giving the input, I have to suppose for that input I have to store the data or I have to regenerate some kind of data. Okay, for that purpose we need flip-flop. But the concept will be clear. Let's stop there. Let's finish this topic first. Then we will learn some application. Then your concept will be clear. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Now we have another kind of flip-flop. Abhi dekho, let's abhi bhi 10 minute पढ़ लेते, then we'll take 5-minute break. D-type flip-flop. Okay, now we have another kind of flip-flop, D-type flip-flop. Okay, now here I SR flip-flop 0 0 0 1 1 0 1 1 Qn plus 1. What is the output over here? What is the output over here? Bolo.
Qn
0.
0.
0.
Then 0. Then
1.
Then
Not
Qn bar.
undefined. Very good. Very good. Now
Not
I'm
defined.
writing here JK. 0 1 0 0 0 1 1 0 1 1. What is the output?
QN.
Then
0
0, then
1
1, then
QN bar.
very good. Okay, this is my output. You have to remember. Okay, you have to remember those things. Now let's try to draw one circuit. And for simplicity, we are writing it is a JK flip flop or SR flip flop. Okay, and normally the clock is shown in this, so it is a standard one arrow. Oh. Okay, so it is a clock pulse, CLK. Now, so this input can be either J or S, and this input can be either K or R. Agree? Agree,
Yes,
because we are
sir.
defining it is JK flip flop or SR flip flop. So this is my output. It is QN. Don't write QN over here. It is better to write always Q. It is Q, then it is Q bar. Okay, never write here Q bar over here. Don't write, and don't write here Q. So it is not a correct way. Okay, don't write it over here. Upper one will be always Q, lower one will be Q bar. It is a standard nomenclature. Then I am giving, suppose I have another input D. Okay, then I am giving the input over here directly D. Whatever the D I am taking, it will be same as J or S. Then I am taking one NOT gate. Then this NOT gate is connected it over here. Okay. Now, when B equal to 1, when kahan pe likhe? When D equal to 1, then what is the value of J or S? What is the value of J or S when
1.
D equal to 1?
1, sir.
1 sir.
Then what is the value of K or R? What is the value of K or R?
0.
0 sir.
Now you focus in both table. If what is the output? What will be the output? If 1-0 combination come, if 1-0 combination come,
1.
so it is 1.
1 sir,
Okay?
1.
So when D equal to 1, so then Qn plus 1 will be 1. Correct? Correct? Now when
Yes,
D
sir.
equal to 0, then what is the value of J or S? J or S का value क्या होगा? 0. Then what will be the value of K or R?
1.
K
Sir,
or R?
1 sir.
Then what will be the value of, now input is 0 1.
0.
0 1 is
0
0
sir.
0. So output will be 0. So
0.
when D equal to 0, Qn plus 1 will be 0. So this is my table. Is there any doubt? Is there any
No,
doubt?
sir.
Very
No,
good.
sir.
Now
Sir,
you
but
focus.
S is equal to JQ bar.
कहाँ पे?
Sir, S is equal to JQ bar. We have learned in the previous.
कहाँ पे? कहाँ पे?
Sir, in the JK flip flop.
So in the JK flip flop, if we are using SR flip flop, so that assumption cannot be considered over here. You focus. It is simple SR flip flop, okay? And this is the output. It is the intermediate stage. It is the intermediate stage. This JQ bar is S is the intermediate stage of the JK flip flop. We cannot consider over here. It is different circuit. It is different circuit. Whenever I am telling anything it over here, so whatever the circuit is utilized in the JK flip flop, we cannot assume that one. Okay. Is it clear or should I explain again?
Sir, this flip flop is normal flip flop, normal SR flip flop.
It either you can use normal JK flip flop. Oh God. Why do you mix all those things? Focus karo, just focus karo. It is JK flip flop. Now tell me, if D equal to 1, what will be the value of J?
The J1.
Okay, what will be value of K?
0, sir.
Then 1 0, what will be my output?
1.
This is my output. Now focus over here. When D equal to 0, what will be my value of J?
Sir, 0.
What will be my value of K?
1.
Then what will be my value of Q n plus 1?
Sir, 0, 0.
0. So I have written that thing. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay, just wait. अभी finish नहीं हुआ. एक सर्किट दूसरे सर्किट से don't mix up. Suppose it is SR flip flop. It is S, it is R. If D equal to 1, wait, just wait. If D equal to 1, then what will be the value of S?
Sir, 1, 1.
Then what will be value of R?
0.
Then what will, now you focus 1 0. What will be value of output? 1. So we have written 1. When D equal to 0, what will be value of S?
Sir, 0.
Then what will be value of R?
1.
Then what will be my value? 1 0. So 1 0 combination, what will be my value of output? Qn plus 1. 0 1 0. So that's why I have written. So that's why we have written either JK or SR flip flop. Why you are considering this nomenclature over here? Why? It is an internal circuit of a JK flip flop, na? Don't mix two circuit. Don't mix two circuit. If I am teaching right now anything in any, suppose slide number 5, I am teaching one circuit, and you are comparing previous class or in class number N, then slide number P, sir, I have learned this thing. Don't compare. Focus on that topic only. Okay, the same thing can be used in different one. Okay, always don't mix the topic further. Okay, so now let's try to learn. Now it is a, now suppose, so if I am giving here t equal to 1 second, so this circuit will take, here output will come immediately t equal to 1. Agree? Agree?
Yes, sir.
Now this circuit, suppose it is taking 1 second to work, so here output will come at t equal to 2 seconds. Agree? Agree?
Yes, sir.
Then if it is coming at t equal to 2, then here the input will come, suppose t equal to 2. Agree?
Yes, sir.
Now here t equal to 1 is same, so t equal to 2, I will get the same input 1. Okay?
Yes, sir.
So then I will get some output. So whenever I am giving, so here I will get either output, I will get either t equal to 3 or 4 or 5. Here I will get. So whenever that means I can get the output at t equal to 2 also. The thing is that due to the utilization of NOT gate, I am getting little bit delay to get the value at this input port because of this utilization. Okay, so that's why whenever I am giving the input, please mute someone, please mute your mic. Whenever I am giving the input at d equal to any instant, so some time will be taken by this NOT gate, and it will take some time and give the output over here. So there will be always some delay. So as there is some delay, so I will get always some delay in the output case. So that's why it is called a delay flip flop. That's why this D.
Sir, you are muted.
Muted.
Hello,
sir, you are
Sir, you are muted.
So your voice is not.
If you cannot unmute yourself, don't mute everybody. I'm requesting to that student. Okay, so it is an important topic. Why? How many times should I repeat? Same thing I have to repeat. Okay, it is your duty. If there is any noise at your end, you mute your mic only. Okay, don't mute all these students. कब सीखोगे भाई, कब सीखोगे ये सब? एक चीज हो जाता है फिर से और एक बार पढ़ना पड़ता है ना। वेयर आई कैन राइट ओवर हियर, बोलो, तुम लोग सीखते नहीं हो एकदम। वेयर आई कैन राइट, अब ये पूछ भी नहीं पाएंगे। ओके, नाउ माय वॉइस इज ऑडिबल, नाउ माय वॉइस इज ऑडिबल।
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Now, when
Yes,
I
sir.
suppose I am giving the input at d equal to t1, then at the use of NOT gate, there will be some kind of time to get the output. Suppose I am getting the output at t equal to 2.
Sir, you already told that before you are muted.
Okay. So now
Means you had already told why it
as
is
the
called a
output,
D type or delay type flip flop.
okay, I told, na, it is clear,
Yes,
na?
sir.
Okay,
Yes, sir.
then it is okay.
Yes,
Okay.
yes,
Okay,
sir.
good. So मैं ऐसे ही तुम लोगों को डांट दिया, मैंने सोचा someone has muted me and इसीलिए मुझे
Sir, it's okay. You are our teacher.
Sir, you are our teacher. It is okay. No problem.
You are muted again. Again, you are
Hello,
muted.
sir. You are muted again.
Sir, you are muted.
now we have another kind of flip flop, T type flip flop. हाँ, मुझे मत म्यूट करो, खुद को म्यूट करो, बस वही सफिशिएंट है। हाँ, इफ वी टेक आवर रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी ओनली, डोंट टेक अदर्स रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी। Okay, so suppose noise is coming, so if individual student is muting yourself, then he will understand whether the noise is coming at your end or not. So it is our duty.
Sir,
Now,
please give 5 minute break.
oh, okay, let's take 5 minute break, then we will meet at 10:10. Okay, at 10:10 we will meet. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay, sir.
Okay,
Yes,
okay,
sir.
I'm also taking 5 minute break. Okay.
Sir, change all
Sir,
of
can
us.
we leave the meeting? Sir. Hello, sir.
Your camera is on, sir. Sir.
Hello, Jyoti.
ओ भाई
Hello, hello, Jyoti bhai.
हाँ भाई को
Sir, your video is on.
Let it be off. Just wait for 1 minute, 2 minutes still we have. Let's take break for 2 minutes.
ନା ଏବେ ହବ ବ୍ରେକ୍ ଦେଇଛନ୍ତି ବ୍ରେକ୍ ଦେଇଛନ୍ତି
Class habo. Don't worry. I don't know Uriya, okay?
सर
हाँ
सर रिकॉर्डिंग ऑफ करके फिर से स्टार्ट कर दीजिए सर, मतलब वरना फिर 2 घंटे का बहुत लंबा वीडियो बन जाता है।
कोई इशू नहीं है, अगर सेम हो जाएगा तो एक ही होगा। नहीं, वी कैन स्टार्ट ना, 10-10 हो गया है, ठीक है, 10-10 हो गया है। लेट्स स्टार्ट द क्लास, कोई इशू नहीं है।
सर हमारा कॉलेज के अप्रैल में खुलेगा।
मुझे क्या पता, दी कॉलेज इज ऑन ना, बिकॉज आई एम कमिंग। तुम लोग को कब बुलाएगा आई डोंट नो। हाँ, सो योर इंस्टीट्यूट विल टेक द डिसीजन।
Predictions from your side. Any predictions from your side?
Any restriction?
Predicts. Yes.
Any restrictions you are talking about? Your voice.
Prediction, sir. Prediction.
No, sir,
Prediction. Okay.
opening in college.
I do not know. I do not know any. I do not have any idea, because we have task force committee, okay, which is deciding how to that means call the students. Okay, so most of the time I think they are calling this the student based on seniority. Okay, I don't know when you will be called. Okay, I do not have any idea. So let's try to start our class, because it is already 10:10. It is 10:11. Okay, so let's share the screen first. ओके, और एक बार रुक जाओ, पहले देख लेते हैं रिकॉर्डिंग हो रहा है कि नहीं। हाँ, let's start. Now let's try to learn T flip flop. Okay, and here we are taking JK flip flop, not SR. I will ask the question why not SR. Let me give the answer first, then let me explain this one, then you can give the easily answer. Okay, this is my clock. This is my clock. It is my JK, so that's why J input, that's why K input, and we are getting the output Q, and here Q prime.
Sir, I can't see your screen.
So my screen is visible at the other end. My screen is visible.
Yes.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes.
So I think there may be some issue. So you please log out and then log in. Then screen will be visible. Okay. Okay. Now the input is J and K. So now I am taking suppose another input T, and this is my another input, and then I am connecting directly over here. Then I am also connecting the input the same thing with K. So those two inputs are shorted basically. Okay. Now when T equal to 0, then J equal to कितना है बोलो? When J equal to
0, sir.
0, then K equal to 0, then qn plus 1, qn plus 1 कितना होगा?
qn
बोलो बोलो
sir qn
okay.
Sir, qn.
Okay. Now when t equal to 1, then j equal to 1, k equal to 1, then qn plus 1 कितना होगा?
Q dash n.
qn bar, don't say q dash n. Okay, qn bar. Okay, now you focus. So now you focus if no, so t and qn plus 1, so 0, then qn, then when 1, then it is qn bar. This is my table. So it is table 1, it is table 2. Bhai, don't eat, we are also hungry. Okay, you mute yourself and then eat. we can listen your voice, whatever you are chewing.
So he's busy in eating.
Yes, that's why I'm telling. You mute yourself, then eat. So this is my table 3 and this is my table 4. Okay, so here it is SR flip-flop, it is JK flip-flop, it is D flip-flop, it is T flip-flop. Okay, all the truth table of 4 different kind of flip-flop are given over here. Okay, now you focus. If I use SR flip-flop instead JK, then here I have to write S, here I have to write R. Then I will get output up to this one, there will be no issue. But when I am giving 1, then S will be 1, R will be 1, then I will never get output. So that's why I cannot use, yes, so that's why I cannot use SR flip-flop. Okay, that's why we have to use JK flip-flop to define the T flip-flop. Now D flip-flop can be made using JK flip-flop or SR flip-flop. T flip-flop can be made only JK flip-flop. So no SR flip-flop. So that's why JK flip-flop is widely used. Another reason. Okay, so in this way you have to identify why the JK is preferred over the SR, and all those reasons gives the advantages or cons, so that we can use JK flip-flop over the negativity of SR flip-flop. Okay, is it clear? Is it clear?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, now you observed why the naming, why the
Sir?
name. Yes. Bolo.
Sir, the only difference is there is no NOT gate in T flip-flop. I mean the difference between D.
Yes, between D, here in D flip-flop, we use one NOT gate. Okay, and it is D flip-flop. In T flip-flop, all the gates are shorted. Okay, that is the main difference. Okay.
Yes, sir. That's why we can use JK or SR in D type, but we can't use SR in T type.
Yes. Very good.
Okay,
Very good.
sir.
Excellent. Okay. Now you focus why the name is like this. Why the name T? Now when 1 T equal to 1, so both inputs are 1. Both inputs are 1. Then you can see the output can toggle. If the previous output, if the Qn equal to 0, then Qn plus 1 will be 1 Qn bar. If Qn equal to 1, then Qn plus 1 will be 0. So and it will toggle between 1 and 0 if the input is 1. Okay. So that's why the name is coming toggling. Okay. So as the output can toggle between 1 and 0 if the input is 1, so that's why the name is like that. It is only prediction. We do not know why the name is like that, exact name. It is only one kind of approximate explanation of such kind of nomenclature. Okay. Is it clear? Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now it is extremely important. Now somebody asks, what is the use of flip-flop? Who asked that question? Bolo. कौन पूछा था?
सर
बोलो सीरियल नंबर बोलो, तुम्हारा सीरियल नंबर कितना है?
सर सीरियल नंबर 126 शायद
126. अभी रोल नंबर बोलो
120 ME 1063.
1063. Okay, this is your first class performance. Okay, Devabroto Shahu. Okay,
Yes,
this is
sir.
your first class performance. I have given you marks because now we will learn where to use the flip-flop. Okay, latch is used to store the data, but when the latch and clock are used, then it is called a flip-flop. Now where to use flip-flop? We need practical example. Okay, let's try to justify the utilization of a particular flip-flop. Okay, now I'm asking to you, क्या था, Devabroto, I'm asking to you, have you seen digital
sir.
watch? Have you seen digital
Yes, sir.
watch? Okay, WATCH. In digital watch, we display the name like this: 0, then 1, then 2, then 3 कैसे होता है? 3, 4, 5, in this way. Agree?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, in the watch, in digital watch, we are mainly talking about. In digital watch, the second counter. Okay, so second is increasing from 0, 1, 2, 3, then 40, then 50, then 56, 57, 58, 59, then 60, then what come? Whenever it coming 60, then what come? Bolo.
0. Again
Yes, 1. Then it is coming to again 0. Okay. So it is 0, 1, 2, 3 up to 60, then again 0. So in simple way, if I write 0, suppose I want to count in this way: 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, then again 0. हाँ बोलो. मुझे पता है 60 doesn't show, but when it is coming to 1 second extra, then 60 will be displayed as 1. Okay, we know we do not show 60. Okay, it is a simple explanation. Okay, where to use that one. Okay, now so that means it is counting from 0 to 59, then it is again coming back to 0 to show the 60. So instead of writing the 60 digits, we are writing 0, then 1, then 2, then 3, then 4, then suppose it is again coming back to 5. So it is a counter which can count from 0 to 4. Agree? A counter means which can count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 in this way. So in this case, it can count either 0, either 1, then 2, then 3, then 4. So it can count from 0 to 4. When it is coming to 4, then instead of giving 5, it is coming to again 0. Okay. So here, up to this one, is there any doubt? Up to this one, is there any doubt? Up to this, is there any doubt?
No.
No,
Okay.
sir.
So
No,
now suppose I want to make this kind of circuit, so it will count from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, now how many digits are there? 5 digits. Let's try to express in the form of 2 to the power n. So 2 to the power 1 means 2, 2 to the power 2 means 4, 2 to the power 3 means 8. So I can easily accommodate this 2 to the power 3 to express 5. So I need 3 flip-flop. Agree? As we have to count from 0 to 4. That means now how many digits? 5 digits. Okay. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Okay.
Excuse
Now
me,
the
sir.
thing is
Sir,
that
can you
now,
explain that part again?
Sure.
Yes,
Now how to suppose I can write 0 in this form, 0, 0. Okay. I can write 1 in this way. Suppose it is 0. I can explain 1 in this way, 0, 1. Agree? जिसको इशू हुआ था मैं I am asking to him or her. कौन क्वेश्चन क्या था?
sir.
Okay. So then I am representing 2 in this way. Is there any doubt? 2 bit,
No,
using
sir.
2 bit. Then I am representing another way, 3 in this way. Can I represent the 4 using 2 bit? Can
No,
I
sir.
represent 4? No. So that means I have to represent 0 in the use of 3 bit, because 4 has to be written in this way. Agree?
Yes, sir.
So that's why 0 0 1 0 1 0 0 1 1, now the 0. So that's why how many bits? 1 bit, 2 bit, 3 bit.
3.
So n equal to 3. If I use n equal to 3, means 2 to the power n, means 2 to the power 3, means 8. So this, if I use the 3 bit, I can count from 0 to 7. Okay?
Yes, sir. Yes.
So as we have 4, so immediate next bit is 4 plus 1, because 7 plus 1, that give you 8. So that give you 5. So how to accommodate 5? So that's why you have counted 2 to the power 1 means 2, 2 to the power 2 means 4, 2 to the power 3 means 8. So here 5 is coming in between this range, greater than 4 but less than
Yes,
8.
sir.
So that's why 3. So in this way we have used n equal to 3. Is it
Okay,
clear
sir.
right now?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay,
Thank
okay,
you,
okay.
sir.
Okay, very good, very good. Now I am writing the same thing. 0 1 2 3 4. So, and I'm counting this in this way. Suppose it is my decimal, but I need binary now, because in binary display we use those kind of okay, we can write this thing also. So I need binary because it is a digital. Okay, so 0 will be represented in this way. Agree?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Then 1 will be represented in this way. Why 3 bit? I just explained why 3 bit here, so I'm not repeating. Then 2 will be represented using 0 1 0. 3 will be represented using this way. 4 will be displayed in this way. Then there will be sign. So displaying those things or those things both will be equivalent. Agree?
Yes, sir.
Sorry, it was my mistake. I made one mistake over here. It is not displaying. We can display digital, but as we are using the digital circuit to count those things, I have to use binary. So representing, not displaying. Representing this sequence and form, that means both are equivalent. Representing, okay, I'm not saying displaying. Then if you want to display, then once you have this data, then use conversion, then display 1, then use conversion, then display 0, use conversion, display 1, use conversion, display 2, and so on. Is it clear? Is it clear? Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
So that's
Yes,
why
sir.
that's why I have to represent any sequence in this way. Okay, I can also count in this way: 1 5 7 2 9 6. I can have this kind of counter also, doesn't matter. I can have this type of counter also. In that case, what will happen? It is 8 greater than 8, so I need 4 bit. So I have to represent the 0 using 4 bit. 5 means 1 0 1. 7 means 111. 2 means 1 0. 9 means 1 0 1. 6 means 4 1. Can I, so displaying this sequence, that means sequence A, or representing the sequence B, both are same, equivalent. A and B both are same, equivalent. Agree? Yes or no?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Okay, so now you observe. Suppose here I am storing the data. So 4 bit. Suppose it is bit number. Suppose it is W, it is X, it is Y, it is Z. Okay, so Z bit here W.
Sir, 1 should
X,
be 0001.
Oh, sorry. It was my mistake. Yes, it was my mistake. Okay. Now here, now you check here. Let's use different color. Now here the x is getting changed over here. Agree? Agree?
Yes, sir.
Now here from this sequence to this sequence, the y is getting changed. Y. Here x is getting changed. This
Yes, sir.
sequence
Yes,
you
sir. Yes,
observe,
sir.
we here you observe this bit is getting changed, that is x, and this last bit is getting changed, that is z. Agree?
Yes, sir.
Now from this
X in Z.
sequence, all bit is getting changed. All bit is getting changed. Agree?
Yes, sir.
W, X, Y,
Yes,
Z.
sir.
Z.
Okay. Now here from this sequence it is changed, it is changing, it is changing, it is changing. So W, X, Y, Z all are getting changed. Now, so how can I track all this getting changed? It is very difficult, na? How to change all those tracking? How would I know when the X will change, when the Y will change? If I use different sequence, I may have different kind of changing sequence. So that's why the flip-flop will come. Flip-flop stand in front of this one and gives the flexibility to track each and data. Is it clear? Is it clear?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now I will show one example, then it will be clear how the sequence is getting tracked or how the sequence is tracked. Okay. Let's try to solve. The problem is clear. The problem statement is clear.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now let's, okay, just give me one break. Let me take water. हाँ, जो खाना खा रहा था उसका खाना हो गया? I am asking to that student who was eating. Eating was completed. Eating is completed. Hello? अरे कोई खाना खा रहा था ना? बोलो.
Sir, he might not know that his mic was on.
No. Right now I am asking this thing, na. I am not. I will never say any wrong thing to him or her. So someone was taking food. Is it completed or still you are still taking the food? I am asking to him or her. कौन था भाई? नाम बोलो.
सर वो स्पीकर बंद करके खाना खा रहा होगा.
ओहो, अभी तो स्पीकर ऑन कर सकता है ना?
Sir, maybe he or she won't confess it.
Okay, it's okay. The thing is that I wanted to give extra marks, but he or she lost these marks. Okay, it is now up to him or her. एक मार्क्स उसे छूट गए उसके हाथों से. और टाइम नहीं है. Now I will not give. अभी और नहीं देंगे क्योंकि वो टाइम चला गया. ओके. और नहीं देंगे.
खाना खाने के लिए.
हाँ, लास्ट टाइम.
क्लास में खाना के लिए
खाना के लिए भी मार्क मिलेगा.
अरे भाई 2 घंटे का क्लास है, अगर उसे भूख लगे तो खाना खाओ ना. The thing is that you take in different way. He is not missing the class, okay, but he is hungry, that's why he is taking food, but still he is attending the class. You take in different way. हाँ, so
सर मैंने भी खाना खाया बट म्यूट करके खाया.
मैंने भी खाया.
और नहीं मिलेगा.
मैंने भी खाया था सर.
मैंने भी खाया था.
मार्क्स नहीं मिलेगा, उसी को मिलना चाहिए था.
सर मैं तो मल्टीटास्किंग कर रहा हूँ.
Sir, all of us sacrificed our sleep and came to attend the class, so all of us should get
at the
+1.
time.
Yes, sir.
If you are sleeping at 9 AM, so it is your fault. You should not sleep after the sun.
No, sir, we had class.
Sir, extra class 1 mark.
At 8 AM, sir.
Extra class not 1 mark. It is compensated. It is compensated because I will take leave in future. That's right. हाँ, और मार्क्स नहीं मिलेगा. तुम लोग भाई काम करो, मार्क्स लो. हाँ, ऐसे छुट्टा मुट्टी मार्क्स क्यों लो? हाँ.
Sir, 1 marks to all, please.
+1 for all.
No. You earn your own bread. Okay, you earn your own bread. Okay, फ्री में जो मिलता है वो अच्छा नहीं होता है, वो सड़ा हुआ मिलता है. हाँ, हमेशा give your hard work and try. If अगर hard work देने के बाद भी if you are getting 5 marks, that is good. मगर तुम कुछ भी नहीं कर रहे हो, I am giving 10 marks, so you are not good because marks will not say anything. You will get job. All the student you will get job after the finishing of BTech. Most of the student. Okay. So then, but if you want to continue in the work, okay, so you have to give your knowledge, not mark sheets. Okay. So वहाँ पे knowledge तभी आएगा if you know. Now let's come back to our topic. You observed, huh? So here for simplicity, I am writing only 2 bit. as we are trying to learn. So it is my stage. Then I am giving one input. I am giving one input. Suppose it is my stage, then let's write 1 0. Let's complete it. 1 1 and then 0 1. What is my sequence? Now just tell me what is my sequence. Let me ask one student. There will be no marks. CE79, Vishwajit, there will be no marks. Vishwajit, what is the sequence? Vishwajit, CE79. चलो ये भी absent है. Vishwajit, are you absent?
Yes, sir, present.
Okay, very good. Now tell me what is the sequence?
So 0 0 0 1 1 0 1 1.
I do not know. Now your screen is visible. Now tell me what is the sequence. The answer is we cannot give the answer because I didn't show any arrow. You check. Whenever I am giving any sequence 1 2 5, I am giving arrow. So did I give any arrow over here?
No, sir.
So that's why there will be no sequence. You should give this answer, na?
Yes,
but still you have tried. That's why I have given you 1 marks. Okay. So you got 1 marks. So now I am giving arrow. Now you focus. Suppose I am giving one. Suppose this is my present state. I am giving over arrow over here. Means it is my present state. Then it is my next state. Next. So whenever I am giving this arrow, then mean it is sorry. Then it is my present. I'm writing in simple P and it is my next stage. Okay, I'm writing N. Is it clear? Yes. So when I'm writing this arrow, so 0 0 is my present state. Next stage is 0 1. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Now the thing is that it may not happen. Suppose we have one circuit. If we do not give any input, this stage cannot change. Okay, so for simplicity, I am giving in this circuit, I am giving input. It is input. Then I am giving output. It is my output. So if I give this arrow, so here I am writing input. Here I am writing output. Is it clear? So this is input. So from 0 0, if I give one input, I will give next stage 0 1. Next stage 0 1. At the same time, I will get some output. Okay, don't confuse it over here. What is output and what is next stage? We will learn. Just you try to understand. We have present state, we have next state, then we have input and we have output. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now.
No, sir. Please repeat.
Sure. Please mute your mic. Someone is noising. Mute yourself. Okay. Good. Now, suppose P and N is clear, na? P and N is clear, na? What is P and N?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes. Okay. Now, suppose I am giving one input. Suppose I am giving one bar over slash bar over here. Then if I write anything, then it will be counted as input. And if I write anything, then it will be counted as output. Okay. Now here I have 0 0 present state. Then I am going to 0 1 next stage. So in the first stage to present state to next stage, we cannot go. Okay. There should be some input. Suppose I am giving input 1. Okay. At the same time, I am also getting output. Okay, I am also getting output. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So that's why I am written here 1 here. So in the next stage, if I give 0 1 stage at 1, output is 0, then it is found it will not change its stage. It will not change its stage. It will remain in this stage. Is it clear? So present stage, suppose present stage is 0, 1. I am giving input 1 and corresponding output is 0. Then it is found it is not changing state. It is present. It is showing this till the present stage. So this kind of loop is called self loop. This kind of loop is called self loop. Is it clear? Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Now suppose I am giving 0 input and the corresponding output is 0. Then it is found it is changing state from 0, 1 to 1, 1. Is it clear? Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now suppose I am giving 1 and then output is corresponding 0. Then it is also found it is not changing state. It is again showing the same state. So that's why. Similarly, if I give 0 and output is 0, then it is changing state. Similarly, if I give 0 and output is also 0, okay, so that's why.
Sir, the output
yes.
is coming, sir.
Why?
The output is randomly, sir.
Yes, output is
Again.
randomly. We are giving output randomly, but you focus input can change either 0 or 1. So either 1 is input, then output can take arbitrarily. We are taking input and output randomly, but input can take either 1 or 0. Because if I am giving any forcing input, either it can take 0 or 1, but output can take either all time 0, all time 1, or 1, 0, any combination. Okay, is it clear? Is it clear? Is it clear? Okay. Now if I give one input, huh?
Why?
Yes. Yes.
When we give a input 0 and output 0, why it changes
Why it
from
is, there
0?
is no reason why it is coming in this region, why the input is 0 and output is 0. Okay, why it is showing the present and next state same, there is no reason. We are setting our counter in this way. Okay, we are setting ourselves by on purpose. Okay, so that is our choice. Suppose when I am giving the input 1 and output is also 1, then it is changing the state. Okay, suppose when I am giving 0 input and the output is 0, then it is also showing the same stage. So in this way we can define one circuit. In this way we can define one circuit. Is it clear?
Okay, sir.
Yes, sir.
Means there is no specific rule. We have created this.
Yes, there is no specific rule. Depending on problem, we have to choose. Okay, depending on problem. Suppose let me take one
Sir,
example.
changing state means.
Changing state, I just told here, na? It is present state. Then if I give some input, or if there is no input in the next clock pulse, there will be next stage. So in this way it is changing state, na? So in the next stage it will be present stage, then it will be next stage. So in this way it will change the state. Otherwise how can I show 0, 1, 2, 3 in this way? Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So in this way we can make arbitrary sequence. Suppose let me consider one thing. Suppose I am showing an 0, 0, 0 present state. Then I am showing the next stage is 1, this one. Then next stage is this one. Then next stage is 0, 0. Is there any input output? Is there any input output combination?
No, sir.
No,
yes.
sir.
So we can have also only present stage and next stage also. No input output combination. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. So here we have present state, next stage, input and output. But here we have only present stage and next stage. No input or no output. Okay, we can have any kind of sequence, Is it clear? Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Sir, is this circuit always unidirectional?
You can design bidirectional circuit also, but the circuit will be complicated. Okay, but the thing is that you have to observe. I have t equal to 1 second, t equal to 2 second, t equal to 2 second. So here suppose I want to display 0. So now it is my present stage. Now in the next stage, can I display 1 and 5 simultaneously? Is it possible? Is it possible to display 2 digits simultaneously? 1 will be displayed in this way, 5 will be displayed in this way. So what will be my output? Final result it will be shown as 9. But it will be wrong, na? So I can show either one display. Suppose it is 1. So either it will be one direction, okay? But I believe you are asking for this kind of sequence 0 0 0 1. No. Suppose I think you are asking for this kind of sequence. Suppose instead of this one, I can assume 0 0 1 again. Are you asking this kind of sequence?
No, sir. If can we do? Can we approach? Sir, 0 0. Then we go to 0 1. So can we?
Okay.
At the same time
You tell your sequence. This one. Then it is my present stage. Next stage क्या होगा?
So next stage is 0 0 1.
हाँ 0 0 1. Arbitrary बोलो ना. Don't take any sequence now. उसके बाद next stage क्या होगा?
But at the same time, from the other, from the left hand side, we can approach to 0 0. So 0 1 0 as well, or
what left hand side? This is my present stage. So I just explain immediate, na? It is my present stage. Suppose display is 0. Next stage, I want to display 2 digit. Is it possible? Just tell me. Because I have written here 1, then I am writing it over here. Then I am writing it over here 5. So what will be my final display? Final display, it will be 9, not 1 or 5. So it will be erroneous. So I cannot display 2 or more than 1 digit. So either I have to choose only one data. Suppose here I am choosing 1. So that's why. So in this way it is not possible. But this sequence is possible over here. Suppose here already I have counted 0 0 1. But here I can have also 0 0 1 again. Here I can have 0 0 1 again. Okay. So it is possible. Doesn't matter. Is it clear? Is it clear?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes.
Okay. Very good. हाँ बोलो.
What happens if you do other than input output, like you consider it in present state, no sir? Take the first example 0 0 0 1. You give 1 0 as input, and for
first of all, I am showing example 2 kind of stage where we can have different present stage and next stage. In one example, it is example 1. It is example 1 where I have shown present stage, next stage, input output, both, all four data. But in another example 2, where I have shown only present stage, next stage. So stick to this one. How to solve this problem, we will come later. Is it clear? Is it clear? Okay. So now let's try to solve the problem. How to solve the problem? Okay, let's try to. Okay, for simplicity, let's take this sequence.
Sir, please mute yourself.
Please mute. If I mute myself, then what will happen? Then how can you listen my voice? Please mute yourself. Bolo. If I let me mute everyone. कैसे mute करते हैं सभी को? It is not possible, I think. Okay, if I cannot mute myself, if I mute myself, then you cannot hear my voice. So let me take one simple example. Now, okay, let's take this sequence first. Okay, it is X, Y, Z, 3 data. This sequence is like this. X, Y, Z. First stage will be 0, 0, 0. Next stage कोई एक बोलो 0, 0, 1. So next stage is 0, 0, 1. Second next stage बोलो कोई एक बोलो arbitrary बोलो arbitrary.
1
0
0
to 7
1
1 0 1. So 0 0 1 1 0 1. So next stage arbitrary बोलो 0 to 7 कोई एक data बोलो 0 to 7 कोई एक 1 1 0.
1 1 0.
So suppose then finish. So 1 1 0. So again 0 0 1. So in this way it is it is repeating. It is repeating. Now you observe, you focus only Z. You focus only Z. It is 0 initial, then it is changing to 1, then it is changing to 1, then it is changing to 0, then it is changing to 0. So Z, its sequence is 0, then 1, then double 1, then 0, then this 0, okay, then again this 0, then this 1, then this 1, so 000, double 0, double 1, double 0, double 1, so and so on. It is moving. Agree? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
So in this way, but how to define the sequence? Similarly, what will be the sequence of y? Initially it is 0.
Sir, you are muted.
Sir, you are muted.
Sir.
Sir, you are muted again.
Sir, you are muted.
Sir, on the left of leave button, there is the option.
Again mute. Okay. Okay. So now let's start. Now let's talk about y. Let's talk about y. So y ka sequence is 0, then 0, then 0, then 1, then again 0, then again 2 0 1, again 2 0 1, then again 3 0, 1 2 3, then again 1, again 3 0, then 1, and so on. Is it correct? Is it correct?
Yes, sir.
Then again x
Yes,
का
sir.
sequence देखो 0 0 1 1 0 0 1 1 0 0 1 1 and so on. But if you have to focus, the sequence will be like this. Okay, it t equal to 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 in this way. The sequence will be like this. So we cannot take arbitrary data. Okay, now how to define? Now suppose if I am using flip-flop, what is the output? How many outputs of do we have of a flip-flop? We have two
Sir,
outputs.
2.
But the
Two
thing is
output
that
Q
if
and
we know Q, then we easily know Q bar. So basically we have only one output Q, not two output. Is it clear? Because if we know Q, then other output will be Q bar. It is normal assumption, and based on that assumption we have defined the flip-flop. Is it clear? Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
So we have one output.
Yes, sir.
So how many data
Sir,
sequence we have?
sir.
Follow.
Sir, we will always start from 0 0 0 or
No.
0 0.
No, you can take arbitrary sequence. Here the sequence is arbitrary, na? We can take arbitrary sequence, doesn't matter. You can take 6 0 2 5 1 0 in this way. In this sequence is also possible. Now you tell me which one is the first stage, which one is the second stage. It is a sequence, any stage. There is no start and stop. Okay.
Yes, sir. Sir, we can repeat the numbers also.
I have repeated it, na?
Yes, sir.
Did I repeat here? So you focus, na? You focus. I am talking about sequence. In sequence, suppose your roll number is sequence. So in the sequence, we have only 0 to 9. So any bit can be repeated. So repetition is allowed. Don't worry. Now, how many bits do we have over here? How many bits? How many bits? Bolo.
3.
Bolo. 3.
3
So
bits,
I need 3 flip-flop. I need 3 flip-flop. One flip-flop to track Z, one flip-flop to track Y, another flip-flop to track X. So is it clear? Bhai, kuch to answer do, yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
If you do not give
Yes,
answer,
sir.
then I cannot proceed. Now the thing is that suppose the flip-flop, JK flip-flop we are taking, its present state output is 0. Then next stage, then at t equal to n plus 1, then t equal to n plus 1, my output will be 1. Then how can I understand how to set the data? How to set the data? That means from the present state to next state, how to change the state? Because we do not have any rule. Let's try to generate rule. Then we will use those sequence. Okay, is it clear? Is it clear? Because if I want to generate from 0 to 1, then 1 to 1, then 1 to 0, then 0 to 0, 0 to 1, and so on, then I should have some kind of rule to generate those kind of sequence. But we have only truth table. We have only truth table so far, where we do not have flexibility to use those kind of sequence. So let's try to generate another kind of table, okay, where depending on my present stage, we will predict the next stage. Depending on my present stage, that means 0, okay, then next stage is suppose 1, so I will predict the next stage. So this kind of table is called excitation table. So we have truth table, now we will learn excitation table. Is it clear? Is it clear? Is it clear?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes. Now you focus. Yes, now you focus. Do not miss any stage. Okay. Oh, छोटा करके करते हैं because I need time. We will finish this table today. हाँ, अगर 5-10 मिनट ज़्यादा लगता है तो you stay here. हाँ, कोई issue नहीं है.
Sir, we have math class.
Sir, math class.
Yes,
कितना
sir,
बजे से है?
maths
कितना
class.
बजे से है?
11, sir. 11.
11. ठीक है. Just wait. तो थोड़ा जल्दी करो. Suppose it is row number. I am writing row number. So 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1. So row number 1, 2, 3, 4. So what is the output? QT. It is, that means QN
Yes,
0, 1 undefined. It is truth table, TB, truth table. Let's try to define excitation table. Let's try to define excitation. জয়ন্ত তুমি বসো না 10 মিনিট। ঠিক আমি তোমাকে এমএসটি মে বলে দেব। যাও। দরজাটা খোলা রেখে দাও তো। না বন্ধ করে দাও। 11টা থেকে স্টার্ট করব, ঠিক আছে? Okay, now let's try to learn the excitation table. I do not know my present stage, so I have to define my, that means, I know only present stage, so I have to define my next stage. So my observation is clear or not? So row number, then the output. Now you observe, suppose I want to change from the present state 0 to 0. Is it possible from this table? Now you observe. Suppose my present stage is this one. Hello, my voice is audible at your end?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Suppose my present stage is 0. So this is my 0. Now suppose I want to go from 0 to 0. From 0 to 0 I want to switch. How many, is it possible? Because if I give, suppose I want to use SR flip-flop. So if I give the same input 0 to 1, 0, 1, then I will remain in the same stage. Agree?
Yes, sir.
So I can take row number 2, yes or no? So I can take row number 2, yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now assume if QT is 0, then I can take 0, 0 input also if QT is 0, yes or no? Yes, sir. Because we are already assuming that QT is 0. So that means this assumption is available. So 1 or 2 row is possible. Is it correct? That means, is it clear or not? If I want to change the state from 0 to 0, so my present stage is 0. So I want to change my next stage to 0. So if I want to get 0 using SR flip-flop, I can have 0, 1 input. So row number 2. So row number 2 I have written. So if my present stage is 0, so my next stage will also be 0. So I can take this first row, yes or no? Because if I give 0, 0, I will get the same output in the next stage. So 1 or 2 row. So from 1 or 2 row, can I write the input in this way? What is the common between row number 1 and 2? S is both 0, R is 0 or 1. So R don't care. Can I write this thing?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Is there any doubt for any student? Is there any doubt for any student? I will not repeat again. Is there any doubt for any student? Okay. Suppose my present stage is 0. Next stage I want to make 1. So if I want to make my next stage 1, so this is my corresponding row. This is my corresponding row. Agree?
Third row.
Agree?
Yes, sir.
Third row. So this is my only row. So what will be my input? 1. Is there any other row? Is there any other row possible or not?
No, sir.
0 to 1 if I want to change?
No, sir.
No, it is not
No,
possible.
sir.
So only one row. So my input will be only one row. That means 1 0. So 1 0. Is it clear or not? Is it clear or not?
It is clear.
Okay, very good. Suppose my present stage is 1. My next stage I want to make it 0. So 1 to 0 transition. So if I want to set output 0 next stage, so this will be my row. So row number 2.
Second.
Yes or no?
Yes,
or no?
sir.
Okay. So is there any
Yes,
other
sir.
combination is possible to change 1 to 0? If QT is 1,
No, sir.
so I will get
No,
again
sir.
1 if I give 0. So no other possible. So I have only row number 2. Row number 2 means 0 1 combination. Is there any issue up to this one? Is there any doubt for any student?
Sir,
Is there any doubt for any student?
Number 3?
Bolo?
Sir, please repeat row number 3 again.
Then
1 to 0.
what were you doing at that time when I was discussing that thing? I told, na, is there any doubt? Then you should have raised your voice.
No,
na?
sir. No, sir. What we did just now.
Okay. We are talking about row number 2 here, not row number 3. Row number 3 is previous stage. Are you asking about this row? Are you asking
No,
about
sir.
this?
What we did just now, sir.
Okay, okay. That means you are asking about this row. Okay?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, okay. I thought you were asking. Sorry, it was my fault. Extremely sorry. Okay. So now suppose here the sequence, my present stage is 1. Then I want to make from 1 to 0 transition. Okay. Now my output will be 1 in SR flip-flop. So it is only possible using this row. Agree? Yes or no? Agree?
Yes, sir. Yes,
so
sir.
I have to take 2 column. Column number 2. Let's try to find whether any other row are available or not. So if my present stage is 1, if I give 0 0 input, so output will be qn. So that means my output will be again 1. So no other combinations are possible. So that's why only 1. So that's why if I want to change from 1 to 0, I have to take only second row. So that means second row, this one. So my input will be 0 1. Now is it clear? Now is it clear?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Sir, our math class has already started by our sir.
So just wait for 1 minute. Let it finish. Otherwise, you cannot incomplete, na? Or ek row baki hai. Now let's 1 1. If I change my output from 1 to 1, can I take row number 3? Can I take row number 3?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So now if qn equal to 1, okay, then if I give 0 0 input, then qn plus 1 will take qn. Agree? That means 1. So row number 1 is also applicable. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So now you focus.
Yes,
Now
sir.
you focus this row and this row. Out of this, which one is common? Can I write those things?
Yes,
Can
sir.
I write those things?
Yes.
So
Sir, R is 0.
Yes, my cross.
R is 0.
R is zero.
yes,
Yes,
yes. R is 0. Sorry. Excellent. So let me summarize. So 0 0 0 1 1 0 1 1. If I want to make this sequence, then the SR flip-flop should be taken in this way. Okay, it is the excitation table of SR flip-flop. Let's stop today over here. We will learn the excitation table of other flip-flop on the next class. Okay. Up to this, is there any doubt? Because we will not repeat. We will start from the JK flip-flop. from the next class. Those who have understand, just take me
Sir,
attendance
we
first.
will do JK flip-flop.
Yes, good. Okay, so is there any doubt? Or can we leave this class? Can we leave this class?
Yes, sir. All math class.
Okay.
Sir,
We
nice
will start from JK flip flop from tomorrow. Okay, so
Sir.
let's stop this class. Okay, now